Right, I'm just walking down the beach a little bit to see the massage lady. My friend got a couple of bites on his back. He wants to see if she can sort him out with tiger balm or something. Nice little place on the beach. Here's where you can have a massage on the beach. Very nice place. Okay, so Eddie Cap. Look at this nice place here.
Don't worry, I don't eat you. I eat already. I have breakfast big already. I don't eat anymore, you know. Only working.
And here's the price list. Thai massage 60 minutes, $250. Thai oil massage 300 baht. It's on the beach, not straight. Where's your necklace? Where's your necklace? Handmade necklace.
Here, I.
You make?
Yeah.
Wow.
I have very beautiful.
Can I see?
Can. You can see, but okay, I can show you. Just a moment. I have my jewelry.
Wow. See, not just massage.
Yeah.
Here's the food lady come in.
Yeah.
You okay?
Yes. Okay.
You're not sleeping long this morning?
Okay, very good. อะไรวะอยู่ใต้หาดทรายขาวเจวลี่เป็นสีสวยเด้อ
Good.
เจวลี่สวยเห็นปะคุณอ่ะเป็นเซตจริงเห็นบ่อนให้ดูกันก่อน
Well, another day on Koh Chang. This is our last day today. Just a little video for all the people to get jealous. It gets a bit boring, all this sun, sand, tropical beaches. But you'll know what I mean. I've seen some videos of some guys on the other side of the island and it appears to be raining all the time. Unless their videos are a few days old. But it rained all night last night, but as you can see, today is beautiful. Yesterday we had a good day on the beach, but it rained a bit later on. But what a fantastic place this is. That's our resort there, the one right in front of us now. Klong Koi Cottages. They're not actually cottages, but they're all chalets. But I think that's just the name they use. But all along this little stretch of beach here, there's all different hotels and they all seem to be tucked in a tree, so there's nothing high-rise. The bar we went to yesterday is towards the other end of the beach. I don't know if you can see it on here. There's some beach chairs with these little canopies over the top, not the plastic ones, but look like they're made of palm fronds or something. And then just a little bit closer to us was where we had a meal a few days ago. You literally, once you're here, you don't have to go anywhere if you don't want to. If you're just like lounging in the beach, having a beer, there's quite a few places, all in the same area.
Okay.
Right there. There's my wife Tina having a swim. Maybe it's a bit deep for her. Okay? Yeah. Say hello.
Hello.
Can you stand on the bottom? Oh, just about. And just on this side is Dorian and his wife Waz. Okay. Maybe I get a bit closer. I don't know how good the microphone is. Okay. Maybe that's better. Look. Blue skies. The only thing I'm missing is a cold beer, but it's 10 o'clock in the morning, so as much as I'd like one, I'm going to resist till later. We don't know what we're going to do for the last day. I was going to go to the pier, but we'll have to have a talk about that later. You're not go snorkeling, team?
No.
You need to get a hat on as well.
Yes, but I'm lazy. Yes, let's go.